to find your niche as a copywriter. Now, I actually got a comment from someone, from a Sylvester Emmons, and he says, "Hello, I have been studying copywriting and trying to focus on my niche, which is comic books, animation, and video games. Where would I find a mentor that is familiar with this kind of niche?" Now, I did give you an answer, to find people within the industry who are already making money and keep developing your copywriting skills with a copywriting mentor. Now, you could just simply go into like a Facebook group or perhaps a LinkedIn group and ask for a copywriter who specializes in the industry one. So that's one way to do it. However, a more likely scenario is that you're going to find a copywriting mentor who has made money, may not necessarily have made money, you're in the niche you want to specialize in, but they have great copywriting skills and whatever, regardless of whatever industry they're specialized in, copywriting skills can be transferred over multiple niches. So that's a good thing. And also the great thing about copywriting is that you don't always have to stay within a niche, but you also of course have to be aware of the learning curve when it comes to specializing in a niche in itself. For example, my first copywriting mentor happens to be Dan Locke, and like my personal niche that I personally want to go into is probably like digital learning and something more like martial art. Now he may or may not specialize in it, but I learned great copywriting basics from him, and then of course I would look for people who are already making money in that industry and then learn about it, so that as a copywriter I'm prepared to write copywriting pieces to help people generate more money within my chosen niche. So I hope that helps. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification button down below to make sure that you know when the next copywriting video will show up, helping you, a copywriter, and your client to make more money. I will see you next time.